81. Get back. Meaning, return.
Example, we got back from our vacation last week.
82. Get something back. Meaning, receive something you had before.
Example, Liz finally got her science notes back from my roommate.
83. Get back at someone. Meaning, retaliate, take revenge.
Example, my sister got back at me for stealing her shoes. She stole my favorite hat.
84. Get back into something. Meaning, become interested in something again.
Example, I finally got back into my novel and finished it.
85. Get on something. Meaning, step onto a vehicle.
Example, we're going to freeze out here if you don't let us get on the bus.
86. Get over something. Meaning, recover from an illness, loss, difficulty.
Example, I just got over the flu and now my sister has it.
87. Get over something. Meaning, overcome a problem.
Example, the company will have to close if it can't get over the new regulations.
88. Get round to something.
Meaning, finally find time to do, North America, get around to something. Example, I don't know when I am going to get round to writing the thank you cards.
89. Get together.
Meaning, meet, usually for social reasons. Example, let's get together for a barbecue this weekend.
90. Get up. Meaning, get out of bed.
Example, I got up early today to study for my exam.